Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare collagen at home, an easy guide to making a nutritious broth. We'll cover everything from selecting the best ingredients to the slow simmering process, and finally, how to store your homemade goodness. This simple method allows you to enjoy the many benefits of collagen, supporting your well-being with a warm, comforting addition to your meals. Let's get started on this rewarding culinary journey. To begin your homemade collagen journey, you'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of high-quality animal bones. Beef knuckles, marrow bones, or even chicken feet are excellent choices for their rich collagen content. Don't forget to add some aromatic vegetables like 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks for a delicious flavor profile. A crucial ingredient is 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, which helps draw out those valuable minerals and collagen from the bones during cooking. Once you have all your ingredients ready, place the bones and vegetables into a large stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring the bones are fully submerged by about 1 inch. Bring the pot to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. This slow cooking process is key. Let it simmer for a minimum of 12 hours, and ideally up to 24 hours, to extract the maximum amount of collagen and nutrients from the bones. After your broth has simmered for the recommended time, turn off the heat and let it cool down significantly. Once it's cool enough to handle, carefully strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into clean containers, discarding the solids. Allow the broth to cool completely before sealing the containers. You can store your homemade collagen broth in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it in smaller portions for several months, ready to use whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.